If you're thinking about using AI workers in your organization, I'm going to give you some piece of advice that will save you a ton of time and money. Right now, it's easier than ever to hire someone who can build AI agents and automations using visual coding tools like MindStudio. They drag blocks, connect steps, they plug in AI models, and suddenly you have a chatbot that answers customer questions, an assistant that does internal research, or an agent that completes tasks on its own for a specific schedule. This is simple, fast, and affordable. But here's a part that most people do not see. Building AI agents using these visual AI builders is still programming. This means engineering principles still apply. Those visual blocks that connect to create results are still blocks of code. Under the surface, they're logic, data flow, permissions, and even system behavior. And when software is built without good structure, it eventually becomes slow, fragile, and risky. No code does not mean no engineering. It still means that engineering is happening in a different format. When someone builds an AI agent for your business, this is not just creating a software. They're building an intelligent system that might read your documents, access internal knowledge, and respond to customers, and even connect to tools that you rely on every day. This is part of your business infrastructure. It deserves the same level of care as your accounting system or your payment platform. Strong AI builders, even when using visual coding tools, follow proven engineering principles. First, they create clear boundaries. Not every agent should access all your data. Not every workflow should be able to trigger important actions. Good design limits what each part of the system can see and do. That way, if something goes wrong, the problem is contained instead of spreading. Secondly, they design with clear responsibilities. Each AI agent should have focused roles. One might handle customer support, another might help your team search internal knowledge, another might summarize reports. When one system tries to do everything, it becomes harder to control and more likely to fail. Third, they build systems in modules, not in one giant tangled workflow. Module systems are easier to update, easier to fix, and easier for another developer to understand later. This protects your business from being locked into one person who is the only one who understands how things work. If your AI is poorly designed, it can be a risk for your business. The solution is better system design, tighter control, and clear structure from the beginning. So when you're hiring someone to build AI for your business, don't just ask what tools it's going to have. Ask how this system design is going to be. Ask how they limit access. Ask how they separate responsibilities. Ask how the system can be maintained as your business grows. Most importantly, ask how they protect your agent from cyber attacks. In the end, you're not just buying AI agents, you're buying results that add value to your business.